Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video, I'm like nice and cozy. I have a little coffee. It is finally starting to feel like fall here in LA. It's been like 50s and 60s in the morning and at night, and then like 70s during the day, which I know is probably really warm for a lot of you other people, but for California, it is feeling a lot more fall than it was. I went apple picking the other day and it was literally like 90 degrees, so this is a welcome change around here. So anyways, in the whole fall spirit, I thought that I would do a fall themed Fashion Nova haul. You guys have really been liking these videos and I've been really liking filming these. This is by far my favorite one that I've filmed so far. I am so excited to share this with you guys because all these pieces I've been genuinely wearing all the time. I really like them, and again, like, I always get questions about where my outfits are from and where certain jeans are from, like when I post on my story and I don't tag Fashion Nova, just because when I'm posting a story that's not like a sponsored post, even if it's a product that I'm gifted or like that I am working, like a company that I'm working with, I don't want to tag it every time because I don't want you guys to get annoyed. But every time I don't tag a piece that's from Fashion Nova, you guys always ask me where it's from. So I want to share this with you guys and show you like some staple fall pieces that I've been wearing that are really inexpensive but still really cute and good quality, and I've been wearing a lot. So yeah, let's just get started. I have to start off with my favorite piece. These jeans are, I need to like put my legs down, I'm getting a little too comfy here, but these jeans are like these crisscross crossover jeans. They are so cute, they're so flattering, they're really comfortable. I've been wearing these, I've like worn them a million times already. I've been wearing them out at night, or I wore them during the day with like a little crop and a little throwover like shirt. They're just really comfortable, they're really cute. I find them very flattering. And for Fashion Nova jeans, when I posted these, you guys went crazy in my DMs asking me where I got them from. They look a lot like this other pair that was really popular that are like $200, and I just feel like for a pair of trendy pants, this waist style, like the little crossover buttons, I think it's trendy. I don't think that it's something that's necessarily timeless. So for $200, like, would I pay that? Personally, no. For these, I would definitely spend the money though, because I personally think they look like high-end denim and they feel like high-end denim, even though they're obviously not. Next, I have a couple like cute sweaters and tops and things. This one was actually the one I wore apple picking, and big mistake because it was actually hot AF, but this is really cute. It's like a little sweater shirt. It has a collar. It's this cute kind of like brownish reddish color. It's coming up a lot more red on camera. It's a lot more brown in person, but I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it brings out my hair a little bit. If you guys have noticed, I have dyed my hair. But anyways, I really like this one. I think that it's a nice little like simple fall staple you can wear out to dinner, you can wear for like a casual day thing or whatever. It's just a really great fall piece. I got another brown sweater. This one is super cute. It's kind of like chunky knit, just simple brown, but it's cropped, which I think is a cute twist. You can wear this with like a little black mini skirt and some thigh-high socks and like cute little loafers. I think would be a really sweet little outfit. Or you can just wear it with jeans or something like that, or like little black trousers would be cute. So I think it's super cute and perfect for fall. The only thing is it's like really cropped, so if you don't want to show that much belly, then maybe wear something high-waisted with it. Then I got two of these like same shirt, but I just thought these were really cute and I figured I could wear them a lot of ways. The buttons are functional, so you can unbutton this and kind of make it sexier if you want to wear it at night, or you can wear it done up and make it kind of just cute and daytime appropriate. So I really like these. I think they're so cute. They again feel really great. This quality that they have for these kind of, it's like ribbed, but it's a sweater material, but it's stretchy and it's thick. It just looks really nice, and I think that these look really expensive, so I really like these. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these, so I'm excited to wear those. And I love things that you can wear from day to night, because I always find myself in those situations where like you're out and you weren't planning on going anywhere in the evening time, and then your friends are like, oh hey, let's do X, Y, and Z, and you're like, well, all right, time to you know, whatever. So yeah, I really like those. And then I also got this top, which I thought was just cute. Again, a little like sweater top. I've really been liking these sweater shirt things. I think they're a good California staple because it does get cold here at night, and during the daytime I do want to wear something fall-esque, so it looks like a sweater but it's not really a sweater. Even like that chunky knit one is still like super cropped, so it's really not like a sweater. It's more of just like a crop top, but you kind of have to adapt the fall styles for the weather here. So I really like this one. Again, super cute. I like the little stripes on it. I feel like this with like a little pair of jeans is just easy, simple, basic, but really cute. Next, I got this pair of pants that I am obsessed with. I've really been into loose fitting, kind of comfortable but stylish pants. And I feel like tiny tops and baggy pants are just the way to go. These pants, they look absolutely enormous, but they kind of are. It's this pair of trousers, and they are like stretchy here, and they just fit so well. I actually wore these out the other night, and then I also wore them for a photo shoot, and I'm really excited to see how the images turned out. But to think that like this is just a random pair of pants from Fashion Nova, and I've already worn them so many times, and they're just like a really simple, easy gray trouser. I think they're chic, and they're just really easy to wear, and you can wear them during the daytime, like with a little cute white tank and a pair of Doc Martens, or you can wear them at night. I wear them with like a pair of leather pointy toe boots and a little black crop top situation also from Fashion Nova actually, and I really like that outfit, and I felt really put together and really chic, and it was a super cheap outfit, so you really can't go wrong. Another staple lately that I also just wore for a photo shoot are these leather pants. These are just so nice for Fashion Nova leather pants. Like, they are wide leg, which I love. Again, I'm not really into skinny pants right now, so, and these are just really great quality and look really nice for what they are, and I'm really impressed with these. I'm actually really impressed with all the pants that I'm about to show you guys because they're kind of killing it lately. Like I said, with Fashion Nova, like, the website, you have to dig. They have a lot of stuff on there, and if you really want to find the best stuff, you have to dig. But I find things that people are always guessing, where did I get it from, and I'm like, just at this point it's like a running joke with my friends. I'm like, just guess, and they're like, Fashion Nova. I'm like, seriously, like, that's right. Don't even ask where I got something from. Like, my entire wardrobe is Fashion Nova at this point. I got these orange pants, which I thought were cute. They're kind of like, they're kind of jeans, but they're kind of not. But they are super baggy, wide leg. There's a little slit at the bottom. I wore these in an Instagram post with just a white tank, like a little ribbed white tank, and a black throwover shirt and just forces, and it was cute. It's simple. These just add like a nice little pop of color. They're a bit summery, but I feel like because it's such a muted orange, it can work for fall. And I really like these. I think they are super comfy too. They have like a little bit of stretch to them, but not in a tacky way, which I like. It makes them really comfortable and really flattering on the waist, but loose throughout the leg, which I find is kind of a common trend with these pants, which I really like. I think Fashion Nova has really nailed that. A lot of times I get loose fitting pants and they're so baggy that they're baggy in the waist too, which is fine. Sometimes that's the look, but other times you kind of want your waist to be snatched and then the pant to be loose, and Fashion Nova has done a really good job with that. They know that a girl wants her waist snatched. Then I got these ones. As you can see, there's kind of a trend. These are like a Carpenter Jean. Well, they're not really jeans, but they kind of are, I guess. They're just baggy pants like this, and they have the little white stitching. These are really simple too. I really like these. I feel like I can just wear these with a simple white tank top and just some sneakers or some boots or something, and just call it a day. They're kind of like little Dickies vibe, like just simple, easy to wear, and that's the kind of stuff I go for nowadays. I like to be able to mix and match, like to be able to take it from day to night, and I like to have pieces in my wardrobe that I already own that will be able to go with these. So like I have a white tank that I can just throw on with everything, and that's kind of my go-to. I'm a very simple gal. Then I got these black jeans. I actually really like these too. These are like a washed black, so they're kind of gray, and they have these slits in the knees. I really like these. I think they're flattering as well. These with like a little black crop top and some boots is also a cute vibe. Or you can wear them out, again with a black crop top but some heels. Simple, like I'm saying, guys. There's ain't nothing to it, but it's cute. And lastly, these I just thought were fun. They have little smiley faces on them. I feel like these are like so trendy right now, this kind of stuff. I just thought these would be cute. Again, definitely more daytime than night. Just a little white crop, sneakers, same thing. But you can really like make an outfit fun with something simple like this. So yeah, that is all for today's little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have been finding some serious gems on the Fashion Nova website. Like, I'm telling you, I sit there for quite a minute, but I really do find some awesome pieces and things that I genuinely wear again and again all the time. Like those crossover jeans, all the time. I'm gonna wear those all the freaking time, you guys. Yeah, I'm a simple gal. I just need like a good pair of jeans, a tiny little white tank top, and a pair of sneakers or some Doc Martens, and I'm good to go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy fall. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.